Mrs. Corrigan and Smalley this week have been showing you how we can do halving using objects such as cake. She also used some counters and some cubes, and she showed you that we can use this on a tens frame, and we can also use part whole diagrams. Today we're going to have a look at something a little bit different. It's halving, but this time it's halving 2D shapes. We need to remember that if we're halving something, we need to make sure that both parts are the same. So I'm going to show you some shapes. I'd like you to call out the name of the shape when you see it. Can you do that? Off we go. Well done, yay! Now, I wonder if we can halve those shapes. What we need to do is have a look how we can split the shape so that both sides are equal. Let's have a look at the circle first. What I'd like you to do is, can you shout out yes when you think I've managed to find half? Okay, I want you to shout yes. So, here, oh, not sure. Yay! Okay, so this could be half, couldn't it? Do both sides look the same? I wonder though, what would happen if I turned my card this way? Still got half. Let's move it again. Yep, still half. So I think as long as the card goes through the middle, that will make both parts equal. If it's not in the middle, they're not going to be equal halves, are they? I've drawn my line. I'm not sure if I got it in the right place. Let's have a look. I'm going to fold it and see. I've folded along my line. Oh dear. Is that right? I'm not sure. Doesn't look like both sides are equal. If I open it up. I don't think I did that right. Should we try again? I've got another circle. I'll grab that. How about this? This looks better to me. It looks as though both parts are equal. I'm going to fold it and have a look. My circle has been divided into two equal parts. The line shows me halfway down my circle. I've cut my circle in half down the fold that I made. And look, let's check they're the same. They are the same. So, both halves are equal. Hang on a minute, what shape is this? Do you recognise it? This is called a semicircle, and it's half of a whole circle. So two semicircles make a whole circle. Let's do another one. This time I've got a square. I've got my little piece of card again. Can you tell me when you think I've reached half? Can you shout yes when you think I'm at halfway? Yes, I think that's right. Do you know what? I think you could do this another way. I think you can go this way. Where's half? Can you shout yes when you see half? Yay! That looks good to me. I've drawn a line down the middle where you told me to stop. I think that looks like half. Shall we check? I'm going to fold it. Let's fold it and see if both sides are equal. Oh, look. Both of the halves are equal. I've cut my square and I think that's pretty much halfway. Let's check by laying them on top of each other. Yeah, they're pretty much the same. So I've cut my square in half, but look, what shape are they? I've made new shapes. Do you know what they are? That's right, they're now rectangles. I've just been looking at another square. We folded ours like this, didn't we? Or we can fold it like this to make it into halves. Can you find another way? You might be able to fold a square to show two halves. Have a look. Okay, look, if we turn it round like this, it's like a diamond or a kite. We can fold it diagonally. That's a long word, isn't it? Diagonally. And that means my fold goes from corner to corner. And look, there's my square. My line goes diagonally instead of down or across. Diagonally. And can you see what shape I've made? It looks a bit like the bunting that I've seen in the streets all around Lee. By cutting my square in half from corner to corner, I have two equal parts. And what shape are they? Triangles. I'm going to show you some shapes now that I made earlier, and I want you to tell me if I've put my line in the right place. Is my 2D shape divided into two equal parts? Yes or no? Well done, everyone. I think this one was a bit of a tricky customer. It's a little bit tricky to divide a triangle into two equal halves, isn't it? So that's your challenge. See if you can work out how to halve a triangle. I'd really like to see what you've done in the comments section or on Tapestry. And also, I'd really like to see if you can have a go at cutting your own shapes out or just drawing your shapes and showing half with a line. Okay? Have fun. See you soon. Bye.